home. That's very easy. Home, you know.
Good morning, guys, and Merry Christmas! It's Christmas. It's December 25th. Oh my gosh, so I was looking on Instagram this morning and on Babe's story, he was trying to wake me up this morning, like, and I seen this bright light and he was just like, Babe, it's Christmas. I was like, oh, let me asleep. But he had like my gift, which is here, but I'm not gonna open it till I come back. He had my gift and he was trying to wake me up to, like, you know, so yeah, I'm gonna get out his stuff. He just went on the road. I don't know exactly where he went, but I'm gonna get out his stuff. I didn't get a chance to wrap them or anything. I'm gonna take out his stuff and have it all ready, waiting for him. He came in this morning and asked me if I had gotten something, because there's something that I always bring, like when I come in. I was like, no, but I was like, I'm leaving every ratty thing I'm gonna buy for you for Christmas this year, so it's Christmas. Merry Christmas, happy holidays, season's greetings to all of my supporters. I hope everybody is having a fantastic holiday. If not, try to take yourself out of whatever state you're in. If it's not happy, holly, jolly, and positive, it's a wonderful day. It's a wonderful time of the year. Enjoy it, yeah, in it, and yeah. So let me pack out the stuff there, man, before I come, and then we come back home, okay? Okay. So I'm done. Oops, I'm done with him bag. Told him not to come in yet, so I'm gonna make him come in. And the last gift is underneath there. Where's the... Hold on, people. Me, I missed something. Okay, there you go. Hi. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, baby.
Ew, man, you're hot, so damn hot and sweaty. Come, give me like my pajamas.
Merry Christmas.
Come. Happy holidays.
Alright, I'm getting pajamas today.
Merry Christmas. Come, open this though. Open this up, man.
Good at Christmas? You can't go to the bathroom or nothing. Yeah, I put you know. Yeah. Give thanks, man. Give thanks. Give thanks. Give thanks. Give thanks.
Okay, wait, that's not it. You done? That's how people look for presents?
No, you tend to I'm not going to put all of them in one place. I'm glad I get them. I mean, all of them something. Special gifts.
Okay, anyways, you're gonna need this for your last one. Can you guess what it is?
No.
Okay, lucky eye.
Yeah.
Don't open it yet. Just give me your hand. Don't open it. Don't open your eye. Just give me your hand.
Oh. Another shirt from what you do?
Duh.
Oh.
Anyways, guys, that's Christmas.
I'm very grateful.
Bye.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Yeah, I don't show them. You have to go and get.
I already showed them.
Oh, you're not supposed to look at it. You don't know why then? You're not supposed to look at my phone.
You're not supposed to pull it. Yeah. I'm supposed to pull it.
Pull it, yeah. Pull it. Pull. Look at my neck, like pretty.
When you buy this?
I mean when? Ages ago.
It wasn't ages ago.
Before Christmas. Full preparation.
Yesterday?
So I put on my pyjama to you.
Yesterday was before Christmas?
What do you mean?
Yeah, I need to take my Instagram pictures.
I put on my white shirt I'm wearing. So give thanks, babe. Grateful. Very, 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 very. Gratitude is a must. Let's tear the plastic paper, man. I'm not gonna need the paper again. I hope I like it, man, cause.
Cause what?
Cause what?
Cause what? Why wouldn't I like it?
Art.
Why wouldn't I like it?
That's what I say. That's what I say.
Because you said you hope I like it. Why wouldn't I like it?
Well, you know, I always say that. When I get people things that hopefully them like it. Cause, yeah. That little token, not that big. I get more Christmas gifts. We're gonna further than Christmas. So.
It's pretty though.
Oh, yeah.
Thanks, babe.
Can't keep it, man, but yeah. We find the cake, you know, later.
Merry Christmas again, you guys. Happy holidays. Yeah, I'm going back to sleep. Bye.
Have a sleep, man. Get tired. Yeah. Sleeping in pajamas. So she's tired still, nah, pressure still. Anyhow. Me out here in the kitchen. So she want fried dumplings. You don't get baking powder, flour, ackee down there. You know? Saltfish and more. What a nice saltfish there. Christmas cake, that's all. Saltfish, no saltfish, onion, this, okay. Yeah. Yeah, there. Going to the kitchen.
So no. I seen the door. I seen the door fly open. I'm like, why is he taking so long? Babe, thank you. But this is too much.
Yeah, I know. I can go and eat. I left for you. I come take two time. I'm very fast. I'm very tired. What about when I see you?
What do you mean?
Check out our pants. Merry Christmas to the vlog. Hello. Yeah. See that always when I eat off our food as usual, yeah? Yes, the food per usual. Merry Christmas to everyone, yeah? Very right. Love, you know? Resting for the season.
You guys, I have a new man. Hi, come. Don't run over my toe. Come. Say hi. Come, Ari. I get dash way. Here. Come here, son. Yeah. Hello. Don't do them something to me. Don't do them something to me.
Oh my
Anyways, there's like 5 chefs in here doing what I don't know. But
too much chef there.
too much problem. The dinner what I done cook long time. Okay? The dinner what I done cook a long time. Until it's they are from like 6 o'clock this morning. No, that's not what we were saying. It's just too much on. It's a soon done cook, yeah? Wow. All this madness are going in our kitchen. All these things. All these things. No, the chicken was nice. The macaroni was really nice.
Nice, huh?
You never make it. You're very welcome.
It's a banana fritters, eh?
Can I get a while?
No, not fried by the stove. Yeah. You prefer it away.
Can I get a while?
Look on it yourself, brother. Yeah, you don't want to say too much people, you know. That's what I want.
Y'all, I just been here sitting down all day. Like I have not been vlogging, nothing, but let me catch some stuff. Because one, my battery is dying, the other batteries are at home. You know, put vanilla in there?
No, last time. The after mix. Vanilla, baking banana. Look up this one.
Yeah, any other vanilla? The other vanilla, yeah.
Research.
Enough to do the research, yeah.
Hey, Sean.
We'll give us the one. Hold up, you know, so now I want one piece of fish. You need to wrap it in the file and turn it over.
No, put it
Now
on
you
that.
put back the fish in the refrigerator, make it get away there.
Oh, come on, hear something, you know. Say that, Elvis.
Where me?
The fryer, you like that?
Turn it off, look how now I fry the fritters every night.
One piece of chicken.
Take it out, take it out. Ready, take it out. I don't want for them.
No, 12 can I want chicken.
You know what I just I'm going to have it by today, I'm not here. So I go piece in there, see, let me see.
Oh God.
You don't taste of the mouth much time, brother.
But then you go there, brother.
I know when I taste something, brother.
But then you're going to have fried chicken. That's all we eat, that's just hungry.
Yeah, okay, how much time I go tell the same story?
Is that where it's hungry?
Oh God. See there?
Just dry off, then pot and something. Yeah. All right, sorry, our food.
Everything.
I'm hungry like that.
Yo, what is it? Let's dry off them something and shit them out that gym. Got too much things in that gym.
That's how the water run out.
Yeah, I was like that.
I don't know, that's my home.
Okay. Hi, mommy.
Hi, mommy.
Shut up.
That's the last thing you see, Charlie. Hold on, I'm going to there.
Oh my gosh. Anywho, I'm here. I'm waiting for, well, we have to go back home and get ready and come back. But yeah, dinner time. We're at Babe's cousins. Well, this was his old house, so their family house. But yeah, this we are for Christmas dinner today. They have a Christmas tree. I feel so festivity here. Oh, if you guys didn't see our Christmas pictures that old song, go over to my Instagram and check it out. I'll put some up here. Happy holidays from the ting. I want some of the banana for some lime. And all these things are just beer people, beer food, beer things, beer all these things. So yeah. How is it Christmas? Yeah. So yeah, my hungry bad bananas. So I'm just eating some macaroni and one piece of fried chicken. Give me. So yeah. But anyways, I'm where I go when the food actually, you know, done, and we can eat. Although maybe not even go home, go change, you know. I might just end up wearing this thing. Why not? So yeah, we come back. Whoa! No man. This can't share. Me and Joel can do this by ourselves.
You want one everything?
Shut up. Exactly. Exactly. Okay. Alright. Done storyteller. I always want that shit underneath one most. But yeah, as I said, when we come back later on. Okay? Toodaloo.
Yes, I'm here the camera and a vlog, and it's outside. I'll be there. You know? Yeah, Christmas dinner. This is actually the house I'm going, family house. Yeah, so we'll come back home, you know? Yeah, there I cook now, man. Yeah.
Yes. But before I left, my friend Nedra gave us a card. Obviously it's not Christmas, so open it. Merry Christmas. Oh, Merry wishes.
Merry Christmas.
From my Nettie, we love you, baby. Well, I love you more than him, but we love you.
The same. Balance.
No, it can't be the same.
Level.
No. Macaroni, rice and peas, vegetable.
Fried chicken.
Oh, I did get fried chicken.
Yeah, fried chicken.
But the whole heap of things in there, people make
beef and pork.
macaroni, potato salad and all these things.